Nobody likes dealing with complaints. They are a pain in the glass. Sorry for that window cleaning joke. But there is a way to keep your customers coming back singing your praises. I'm Jono Bull. I've had loads of guys work for me over the years, and I've got over 25 years where I've cleaned countless amounts of windows myself. So I've learned a thing or two about keeping your clients happy. And you can break it down into these 4 main points. And most people forget about the last one. So the first thing is to train your eye. So not only do you need to do a good job, but you need to know when you've done a good job or where you need to improve it. So it takes months to really tune in your eye to see from the different angles, different light, just to focus on the right spots on the glass to know if there's a mark there to continue to clean it or not. The second point is show that you care. When clients see that you are like a glass detective, really carefully looking at your work, checking it, that dedication speaks volumes to them. The third thing is project professionalism. So if you're late, you have to apologize. Wear a uniform. Use your own tools, and they should be professional tools. Don't ever use their tools. And just treat their place with respect. But the fourth thing is to keep the client in the loop. Have good communication with them. So if you discover a scratch or some other kind of damage, just let them know straight away. And here's the crucial thing: when you're nearly finished, say to them, "It all looks fantastic. I'm just packing up now, but please check over the job to make sure you're completely happy." So once you've said that, it's like they're not really in a position to complain later on. But at the end of the day, you really want your clients to be genuinely happy with the job and with the whole service, because then they'll become repeat clients. And that's the greatest part about running a business, having lots of repeat clients. So why don't you go to my profile and check out my other content.